Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing, or rather unpacking, two tops from TOONZSHOP, and I got them mainly because they had sales, and I also don't really have any summer tops, like not really, so I got two summer tops. It's rather cold for them right now, but yeah, I decided to get them anyway. They took a little while longer to get here because I feel like everything is slowed down because of the virus, so yeah. Also, I have already removed the main packaging and I only have two separate ones with the t-shirts. So let's get to it, I guess. I don't remember the brands these specific tops are from, but I will link the tops down below if you're interested. This first one is from Exception brand, and yeah, I decided to get both in brown color because I really like wearing brown recently and I am kind of fed up with black clothing, I would say, so I decided to get both in brown. And yeah, it's basically without sleeves, it's just like hemmed around, it has cutouts on the back and also at front, and also on both sides like this, and I guess they expand as you put it on. First top, the color matches basically perfectly on what is shown on the website, so that's nice. And yeah, I got the size small because it was the smallest one available, so I hope it fit, but I mean, it should. I will try it on later. Another top. This one is like really summery one, but I've seen the model wear it over like a tank top, like ordinary black tank top. Oh my god, so many strips. Yeah, so this looks just like nothing, but basically it is around the neck. It has like this detail at front, this cutout detail, and you don't really put it on, you tie it around, and it has like 3-4 separate strips to tie it around your body. And it's actually also from Exception. However, this one was more like cinnamon brown on the website and it's dark brown, and I don't mind at all. I like this dark brown, but yeah, just be aware, it was more of a cinnamon brown on the website and it shows really differently. It's basically even darker than the first top I showed you, so yeah, definitely like be aware if you are buying. Actually, I have a lot of experiences like this with browns, that they show completely different on the website and the item is also different. And I have one experience with TOONZSHOP where I got a dress. I will insert a photo if I can find some. And yeah, as you could see in the picture, the dress was like sandy brown on me, but on the website it was dark brown like this. But eventually I found out that I was probably sent the wrong color, because like they have the dress in that sandy color, but first of all I found out like way too late, and second of all I actually love that sandy color they sent me, so I don't really mind, like mistakes happen, but yeah, I'm actually really glad I got the dress in the sandy color because it's really nice. But yeah, I specifically wanted like a dark brown tops, so I guess now I'm gonna try both of them. So this is the first one. It's more of a loose fit for me, but yet again, like I wear extra small usually, and this one is just in small, but I don't know, I think it actually looks really nice. It has like these seams on the backs, and yeah, it would actually look amazing if it was like fitted, but well, what can I do? I'm just way too small. But yeah, here you can see cutout on the side. Overall, this one fits really nice. It's like classic elastic t-shirt fabric, so it's really comfortable. And yeah, it will be also really good to wear in summer, and ironically, because of the loose fit and the cutouts not so prominent because of the looser fit, I can even wear it like in spring or so, when I put like something like this over it, like some kind of sweater. But yeah, shame it isn't like more fitted, but anyway, it looks really nice, I think, and I will definitely wear it. Like, it will be nice with high-waisted skirts maybe, or even with leggings, but I don't really wear leggings. I really loved how the model on the website had it styled. So yeah, let's get to another one. So this is the second one. It was only like one size fits all, and that's because you tie it, you don't really like put it on. I love how it shows my tattoo. I love that I can tie it like tighter to make it more fitted, and yeah, overall it's a really nice summer top and I really like how it looks. And on the back, like, there's basically, you have naked back. My only complaint maybe is that the strips on the back, like, some of them are way too long, but I mean, I can just cut them, I guess. Especially the one that is like on the bottom, like, it's way too long and it falls like down to my knees. And yeah, it's one size, so it's understandable, but still I'm gonna cut it shorter probably. So yeah, that was all for this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, and I will link both shirts down below. They also have them in different colors. And no, this video is not sponsored, I just bought the shirt because I really wanted some brown shirts for summer, basically. So yeah, stay safe in a current situation, and hopefully I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye!